The center console inside the new Toyota Harrier gets a wide and imposing impression of a horse's saddle. The instrument panel is set within the edges of the saddle. The dashboard extends out from the instrument panel to the door trims on either side. The interior gets synthetic leather treatment and bentwood-inspired wood tones and piping throughout. A panoramic sunroof used for the first time by Toyota is equipped with electric shades and electrochromatic windows. The new Harrier comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which employs a pre-collision safety system that detects pedestrians during the day and at night, as well as cyclists during the day. It also gets Intelligent Clearance Sonar with parking spot brakes that helps reduce and mitigate damage from collisions during low-speed driving areas. The digital inner mirror, used for the first time by Toyota, enables recording of images to the front and rear of the vehicle while driving. It also features a T-Connect SD navigation system with 12.3-inch TFT wide touchscreen display, with smart device link and other smartphone connectivity, and a 9-speaker JBL premium sound system. The new Harrier uses the TNGA platform for its basic structure. This creates a highly rigid body with a low center of gravity in pursuit of both ride comfort and vehicle driving performance, with a focus on driving sensitivity. The platform brings with it the latest dynamic force engine and direct Shift-CVT.